Okay, viewers, so here's another foam cleaning in progress. Foam machine right over there. This has been sitting for just a few minutes. I've got a lot of excess foam. That foam is not wasted. I've already scrubbed these tires down, but I'm just going to grab a little bit more foam here. And as the foam melts, it cleans all these little bubbles. Little bubble magic. Really cleans really well. I was really impressed on the Kestrel, how well the Kestrel can clean. So these bubbles are no joke when it comes to cleaning. You can see here all the nice little bubbles on there. And the great thing when you got excess bubbles like this, you can re-scoop the bubbles and just let it keep on cleaning. Kind of restack it, brush them in. You can see when it's brushed in, it breaks the bubbles down even further. But as far as cleaning goes, this is like an amazing way to clean with. Now I will coat oil on anything that's got like aluminum or metal showing. Light coat, of course, chain after this and stuff. But where this really shines is like up around these handlebars here. All that grip tape that's really hard to clean. Now I could just replace this, and I probably will replace this, but this cleans really well. Let's see here. It's that grip tape there. See all these bubbles breaking this down right here. These handles. Breaking surface here. And the last step will be a wipe down. And the wipe down will be with a slightly damp rag. Microfiber towel, I should say. Yeah, foam cleaning is awesome.